In a world where billionaires flaunt their wealth with the latest supercars, imagine a vehicle so exclusive even they can't buy it. Today, we're unveiling the top 10 most extraordinary future car concepts and automotive technologies planned for 2024 to 2030. These aren't just cars, they're marvels of future tech, pushing the limits of luxury, performance, and innovation. But what makes these cars so unique that even the wealthiest can't guarantee ownership? Join us as we explore a world where cars go beyond transportation and discover how these vehicles are shaping the future of travel. 1. The Tesla Roadster 2.0 2024. The first car on our list claims to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. The Tesla Roadster 2.0, set for release in 2024, aims to redefine the standards of electric sports cars. As the successor to Tesla's first production car, this new model promises significant advancements in both performance and technology. Under the hood, the Roadster 2.0 is expected to house an impressive electric powertrain. Its acceleration rate will make it one of the fastest cars in the world. This performance doesn't come at the expense of efficiency, as it's anticipated to offer a range of over 600 miles on a single charge, setting a new benchmark for electric vehicles. In terms of design, the Roadster 2.0 maintains Tesla's sleek, modern aesthetic, with smooth lines and a futuristic feel. The interior is expected to be minimalist yet functional, featuring the latest in Tesla's infotainment and autonomous driving technologies. The estimated starting price for the 2024 Tesla Roadster is expected to be around $200,000, with a potential to rise up to $250,000 for the limited edition series. 2. Rolls-Royce Spectre 2024. The 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre marks the brand's entry into electric vehicles, combining their renowned luxury with electric technology. Built on the same platform as the Phantom and Cullinan, the Spectre features a 577 horsepower dual-motor electric powertrain. With an estimated 291 miles per charge, it aligns with the needs of its elite buyers who prefer other luxury travel modes for longer distances. The Spectre's design stays true to Rolls-Royce's elegant style. Inside, the car offers a luxurious and customizable experience, featuring unique elements like a starry night headliner and LED lights on door panels. The interior accommodates 4 passengers and is designed for comfort and quiet, with an adaptive suspension and significant sound insulation. Priced from $422,750, the Rolls-Royce Spectre represents a shift towards electric luxury vehicles. 3. Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV 2024. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV, introduced in 2023, is a significant step for Mercedes-Benz into the electric future. Designed as a crossover alternative to the EQS luxury electric sedan, this SUV offers seating for up to 7 and improved headroom. The EQS SUV comes in several powertrain options, with up to 536 horsepower, appealing to a range of preferences from efficiency to performance. The interior features a 56-inch hyperscreen, an all-in-one infotainment touchscreen, and an instrument cluster. The cabin offers both comfort and high-tech amenities, including heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a Burmester sound system. With a starting price of $105,550, the EQS SUV is competitively priced in the luxury electric SUV market. It offers a range of approximately 305 miles per charge for the EQS 450 Plus model and around 285 miles for the all-wheel drive EQS 450 4MATIC and EQS 580 4MATIC versions. The EQS SUV can charge up to 80% in 31 minutes with a DC fast charger, demonstrating Mercedes-Benz's focus on balancing luxury and performance with practicality. 4. Aston Martin Valhalla 2025. The next car's engine is envisioned to produce an unbelievable power of 998 horsepower. This is the Aston Martin Valhalla, set for production in late 2024, and it is ready to redefine the supercar market. This car was initially revealed in 2019 and promises exceptional design and performance. It features Valkyrie-inspired taillights and a distinctive light-emitting diode strip at the rear, a large wing, and a massive aerodynamic diffuser. The Valhalla also has unique Ford GT-like doors that are a part of the roof, adding to its futuristic appeal. Powering the Valhalla is a Mercedes-AMG-sourced 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine, known as the M178 LS2, which is used in the Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series and GT Track Series. Additionally, the Valhalla features a plug-in hybrid system with 2 electric motors on the front axle and 1 integrated into the transmission, offering enhanced performance and efficiency. The Aston Martin Valhalla's performance figures are noteworthy. It is estimated to reach a top speed of 217 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 2.3 seconds. With a production limit of just 999 units, Valhalla is anticipated to have a starting price of $800,000. If you think you could be one of the lucky 999 people, prove it by subscribing to our channel. 5. Audi Q6 E-Tron 2025. With a boost mode output of 395 horsepower, the Audi Q6 E-Tron is an all-new addition to Audi's growing lineup of electric vehicles. Set to debut as a 2025 model, it introduces Audi's premium platform electric architecture. This features a cutting-edge 800-volt electrical system designed for rapid charging. This platform will also be utilized in future Audi electric vehicles, including the Audi A6 e-tron. This luxury electric SUV is expected to be equipped with a standard all-wheel drive powertrain. Additionally, it incorporates dual electric motors, a configuration typically referred to as Quattro in Audi's vocabulary. The Q6 e-tron is anticipated to start production in 2024 and will compete with other electric SUVs like the Cadillac Lyriq, Genesis electrified GV70, and Lexus RZ. Audi has equipped the Q6 e-tron with impressive performance capabilities. A dual-motor prototype was tested, producing 375 horsepower, capable of accelerating to 62 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. A boost mode can briefly increase this output to 395 horsepower. The more performance-oriented SQ6 variant is expected to deliver 482 horsepower, with boost mode increasing this to 509 horsepower. The Q6 e-tron's range and charging capabilities are equally notable. Its 93 kilowatt-hour battery supports a peak charging rate of 270 kilowatts, enabling a rapid charge from 10% to 80% in less than 30 minutes. On the European WLTP test cycle, the Q6 e-tron is estimated to have a range of approximately 372 miles, which might translate to around 315 miles according to EPA methods. The estimated price range for the Q6 e-tron is from $66,000 to $81,000, varying based on trim and options. 6. Ferrari Purosangue 2025. The next car houses a power engine delivering 715 horsepower. This is the Ferrari Purosangue. Based on the same platform as the Ferrari Roma Coupe, the Purosangue brings Ferrari's renowned performance into the SUV segment. The vehicle's design includes front-opening rear doors and a B-pillar configuration, enhancing access to the rear seats. Inside, the Purosangue offers space for 4 passengers, featuring rear-hinged rear doors for easy access. The interior is appointed with premium materials, maintaining Ferrari's high standards. Unique to this model is the absence of a center-mounted infotainment touchscreen, instead opting for a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster and a separate screen for the front passenger. Under the hood, the Purosangue is powered by a 6.5-liter F140IA V12 engine. It can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds and has a top speed of 193 miles per hour. The SUV features an all-wheel drive system effective in the first 4 gears and up to around 124 miles per hour, beyond which it drives only the rear wheels. All-wheel steering is standard, and the vehicle uses an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. For safety, the Purosangue includes features like automatic emergency braking, automatic high beams, and adaptive cruise control. Additional safety features include blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. The Purosangue marks Ferrari's entry into the SUV market and represents a significant expansion of the brand's lineup, bringing its performance pedigree into a new vehicle category. 7. Bentley's electric future 2026. Bentley is set to launch its first all-electric vehicle by 2026, marking a significant shift towards sustainable luxury. This upcoming Bentley EV, part of the company's broader Beyond 100 strategy, aims to redefine high-performance electric vehicles. The Bentley electric vehicle is expected to be a powerhouse, boasting an estimated 1,400 horsepower and an astonishing acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.5 seconds. The commitment of Bentley to carbon neutrality is evident in their vehicle designs and manufacturing processes. By 2030, Bentley plans to achieve carbon neutrality across its entire product range and manufacturing operations. This Bentley electric vehicle will be supported by the Porsche Audi-developed PPE platform. As for the specs, the Bentley electric vehicle might feature dual electric motors and a massive 1,000 kilowatt battery, offering a range of 350 to 450 miles. The expected starting price is around $250,000. This move to electric is a significant shift for Bentley, known for its powerful gas engines. This transition to electric is part of Bentley's larger vision to introduce 5 electric vehicles by the end of the decade, offering a sustainable alternative without compromising on performance or elegance. 8. Lamborghini Lanzador 2023. The Lamborghini Lanzador, set for release in 2028, represents Lamborghini's groundbreaking move into electric vehicles. This concept car previews a grand tourer with a unique 2-door, 2x2 cabin layout. Lamborghini's venture into electric vehicles aims to retain the brand's essence in a new electrified form. The Lanzador is built on a dedicated electric vehicle platform, featuring an electric motor at each axle. These motors are expected to generate over 1,341 horsepower, utilizing components from the Volkswagen Group's SSP Sport platform. This platform could potentially support up to 1,700 horsepower in its most advanced configuration. The vehicle's design includes advanced aerodynamics with movable aero devices for optimizing either range or high-speed stability. It also features enormous 23-inch wheels with aero blade inserts to reduce turbulence. Lamborghini focuses on delivering power and having a unique dynamic character. This is achieved through the newly developed Lamborghini Dynamic Vehicle Integration System, enhancing chassis response, rear-wheel steering, and torque distribution. The vehicle will also use a new front-mounted radar to adjust the active air suspension according to road conditions. The Lanzador's interior is designed for comfort and luxury, suitable for a high-end road-going grand tourer. However, Lamborghini emphasizes that this car will not simulate the sound and delivery of an internal combustion engine car, seeking instead to offer a new, engaging electric power delivery experience. 9. Porsche 911 Electric 2030. Porsche, renowned for its iconic 911 sports car, is adapting to the electric era. With the successful electric Taycan in the market and the Mission E on the horizon, Porsche is now exploring an electric version of the 911, expected by the end of the decade. This move represents a significant shift for a model traditionally associated with internal combustion engines. The electric 911 is likely to maintain Porsche's design aesthetics while incorporating electric vehicle technology. Expected performance includes around 700 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. The use of solid-state batteries, a future technology Porsche is likely to adopt, could provide an estimated electric range of 500 miles. This advancement would be a game-changer for electric sports cars, offering both high performance and extended range. The charging time for the electric 911 could be significantly reduced, achieving a full charge in under 30 minutes with solid-state battery technology. This fast charging would enhance the practicality of the electric 911, making it more appealing for daily use and long trips. While keeping its signature design and performance, Porsche aims to embrace the benefits of electric propulsion. The electric 911 is expected to provide a unique driving experience, combining Porsche's sports car heritage with the latest in electric vehicle technology. 10. Bugatti's 2030 masterpiece. Bugatti, a brand synonymous with extreme performance and luxury, is set to unveil a groundbreaking car by 2030. While specific details remain under wraps, this vehicle is expected to redefine the limits of automotive engineering and luxury. Known for models like the Chiron and Veyron, Bugatti's 2030 release is anticipated to push boundaries even further. This new Bugatti is likely to harness cutting-edge technology, possibly including electrification, to deliver exceptional performance. Bugatti's history suggests a focus on raw power combined with elegance, so expectations are high for exceptional speed and handling. The car could potentially feature advanced electric or hybrid powertrains, considering the industry's shift towards sustainability in electric vehicles. The design, while speculative, will undoubtedly be a blend of art and function, maintaining Bugatti's distinctive aesthetic while incorporating futuristic elements. Bugatti's vehicles are known for their striking appearances and aerodynamic efficiency, and this model will likely continue that tradition. Inside, the cabin will mirror Bugatti's dedication to craftsmanship, luxury, and advanced technology. As for the price, Bugatti's models are among the most expensive cars available, and this one will undoubtedly follow suit. It will cater to an ultra-exclusive clientele, reflecting the rarity and uniqueness of the vehicle. This is the kind of car that not even billionaires can come close to having. From Ferrari to the Aston Martin Valhalla, each car promises exclusivity and performance like no other. What are your thoughts on these ultra-rare upcoming vehicles? Let us know in the comments. And if you're interested in seeing more about futuristic technologies that could change the way we travel, check out our next video.